Christina, one pour more here. Just doing a quick ornament pour with you. So if you want to buy an Arizona ornament kit, you absolutely can on the website. $5. You can see the size of the ornament here. Ornament pours are quick and easy and a lot of fun. So I'll give you enough paint. You pick the paint colors that you want, and all you do is layer the paint in your cup. Just nice thin layers until the cup is about 1/3 of the way full. You don't need much. If you hit halfway full, you've got more than enough paint. You do want to do a little bit smaller layers to make sure you get more drama in your ornament. So you don't have to put the layers in any specific order. You could reverse it if you wanted to. So I think that's probably enough. So the first color in the cup is the last color out, so it's probably going to be in the center, whereas the last color in is the first color out, and it sometimes goes off the edge. So then you can pour however you want to. If you pour very quickly, it's going to have a different effect than if you pour slowly. This is called a tree ring pour, so you'll get some striations in the paint if you just pour very slowly. You hear Hannah Faith in the background. She is my cousin's daughter. She is headed to Nashville in September to go to college. Very talented. That is definitely more than enough paint. Then all you have to do is tip it, tilt it, and what you want to do is go at angles to make sure you keep your pattern. Come back to the center, go to the other direction. Down. And then you can, at the end, make sure you have the pattern where you want it on your pour. So you can continue to move the paint until you are content with the balance. So there we are. Lovely little Arizona ornament pour.